like Slim sometimes.
What's good with my gang? It's your main PYT back in this thing, and I am back for another mother freaking video. And today I'm gonna be reacting to Get Ratchet by FlightReacts. That reacts. But if this is your first time seeing my face, do not forget to subscribe, turn post notifications on, give this video a big thumbs up. I'm glad to be back, y'all. I missed y'all. Like, I really missed y'all. But without further ado, we're gonna get right into the reaction video. Oh, this is the same person that produced DDG. Take Me Serious, I think. Was it Take Me? Yeah, it was Take Me Serious.
Oh. Why do it, Get Ratchet. Get Ratchet. Let me out, something like Get Ratchet.
Whoa.
Pull up in this bed, what's happening?
Let me just say real quick. I don't know if y'all listen to like the Babe music, but that's the type of vibe I'm getting from this video. This video is super dope already, but I know y'all don't want to hear me talk, so I'm just going.
Get Ratchet. I'm up now, I'm gaining the status. My blood's real big, something like Jurassic. Lil' baby, she bad, but she ratchet. You should do passion. These niggas ain't know why we spazzing. That bitch you claim that she don't love you, she be acting. I'm out here ballin' like John Madden. Stop talking, little nigga, show actions. Get Ratchet. Pull up in this bed, what's happening? Get Ratchet. My shit, mama.
I ain't gonna lie, Flight voice kind of throw me off when he rap, but other than that, this is a banger. It's a banger, Flight.
After grab a stick, yeah, she done a cute face, but her body like a stick. Roll a sticky ink in the stick, all rock them hips. Show some cash in the pics, niggas hella rich. Like us looking like I got sick. These niggas ain't know why we spazzing. That bitch you claim that she don't love you, she be acting. I'm out here ballin' like John Madden. Stop talking, little nigga, show actions. Get Ratchet. Pull up in this bed, what's happening? Get Ratchet.
Okay, Flight. Okay. Flight, I love you, but baby, you can't dance. You can't dance. I love you to death, but you can't dance. Alright, well, y'all, all I can say is that, like I said, that song was most definitely a banger, but Flight voice does throw me off a little bit when he rap. It's probably because he don't rap how he talk. Like, if you understand that, if that makes sense. I don't know if that makes sense, but hopefully it makes sense to you. But that is all for this video. I'm PYT Gabrielle, and I will see you again later for another mother freaking video. And hopefully Flight reacts to this video, because he does, when people react to his videos, he does react to them sometimes. So hopefully, fingers crossed, he reacts to mine. But I will see you guys again later for another mother freaking video.
Buy your money long. Baby girl, you should come through. Ain't no spare time.